Hello students, today we are going to see a topic from our value education book. Lesson number 4, Being Good. I want you all to sit with your books while the video is being played. Being good to others means to help others by all means. For example, you can help your mother in her daily course, your father in his work, your grandparents in their work, and so on. Today, we will see a similar story of a girl named Priyanka who was good to her villagers. Let's see how she helped her villagers. The name of the story is The Wishing Tree. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Priyanka. She lived in a very poor village. One day, when Priyanka was playing near her house, she heard some noise. It was coming from the forest. She went to the forest to check what was happening. She saw some woodcutters cutting trees. She went to them and pleaded them to stop. They finally stopped and went away. As Priyanka started walking back home, she heard a voice. It said, "Child, you saved my life. Ask for any 3 wishes." She thought for some time and said, "I have nothing in my mind right now." The wishing tree said, "You think about it and tell me tomorrow. Come with some elders of your village." Next day, Priyanka went to the wishing tree with some elders of the village. The wishing tree said, "Ask me for your wishes now." She said to the tree, "My first wish is that all the trees which bear fruits in my village should be loaded with fruits so that nobody in my village starves. My second wish is that all the fields in my village must always give good crops. My third wish is that all the rivers in my village should never be dry." The wishing tree granted all the 3 wishes. The villagers were very happy. They thanked Priyanka and the wishing tree. Priyanka was also very happy to see the villagers happy. The story is written by Sachi Jain. She is from Bombay Scottish School. So we saw how Priyanka helped the villagers. Instead of asking 3 wishes for herself, she asked 3 wishes for the villagers. What were the wishes? The first wish was all the trees which bear fruits in her village should be loaded with fruits so that nobody in her village starves. Starves means nobody sleeps without having food. Her second wish was that all the fields in her village must always give good crops. And her third wish was that all the rivers in her village should never be dry. So, what was Priyanka's intention? That she wanted to see the people around her happy. So, she was being good to all the people around her. I hope you have understood the story. Now we will solve the exercises given below the story. The first question is write yes or no. First is Priyanka heard some noise coming from a forest. The answer is yes. She requested the woodcutters to cut trees. No. The wishing tree told her to ask for 2 wishes. No. Priyanka wished everything for her village. Yes. The fifth one is the villagers were very unhappy with her. No. And the last one is Priyanka was a good girl who cared for everyone. Yes. Let's see the answers. Please write down the answers in your book. The next question is time for a reality check. Leonardo da Vinci was a genius from Italy. Ramanujan was a genius from India. Darwin was a genius from England. Unscramble the letters to get some qualities of a genius. Now here some words are unscrambled. You have to write the correct answers. First is loving. The second word is hard working. The third word is helpful. Fourth is caring. And the last one is kind. I will show you how to write the answers. You have to write the answers in this way. Next is diary time. Now here I have written the answers because this concept is new to you. Fill in your diary using the given words. First you will be writing today's date. Next is today I learnt about how to be a dash person, how to be a good person. Like Priyanka, I will also dash about others and try to dash them. Like Priyanka, I will also think about others and try to help them. This will give me dash. This will give me happiness. Next is your time. Now these answers I leave up to you to take any one of them. I give you choice. First is you get a pencil box on your birthday as a gift. Your sister's pencil box is very old and looks untidy. What will you do? Give your new pencil box to her or keep your new pencil box in your cupboard to use later. Next is some guests have come to stay with you in the holidays. They are going out. There is place for only one more person in the car. You and your brother both want to go with them. What will you do? Fight with your brother and don't let him go, or let your brother go. You can go next time with them. You have to take the appropriate answer. Let's move on to the next question. It is put together. There are many words hidden inside one word, just like there are many nice things in a good person. Make a list of the words you can find from the word hard working. Now there are two words which they have given. First is kind and the next is God. You have to prepare 6 more words. I have helped you in preparing the next 2 words. They are hard and king. Now you have to write out the hidden words from the word hard working. I hope the lesson is understood and also the answers are clear. You will solve the exercises given behind the lesson which we discussed now. Please write the answers in your book. So today I end my video here. Hope you enjoyed the story. Bye bye.